Hello children, I welcome all of you to Social Science class, History, Chapter 1, Islamic Religion. So in the last class, we had discussed about the meaning of Islam, the life of Prophet Muhammad and the teachings of Islamic religion. So today, let us continue the different sects in Islamic religion and other contributions. So after knowing about the 5 rituals of Islam and the teachings of Islam, today I am starting with the expansion of Islam. So let me see what are the important points will come under this. After the death of Prophet Muhammad, caliphs took over the responsibility of promoting Islam. Caliphs are known as the successors of Paigambar. So as like Christianity we will call as apostles, so these followers of Muhammad were called as caliphs. So with the sincere efforts of caliphs, Islam started spreading to different parts of the world. So where it has started from Spain to India, within a century it started spreading fastly. So what are the important reasons for the fast growth of this religion? One is the principles are very simple. So they gave prominence to simplicity in Islam. Second one, the efforts, whatever the caliphs are putting, that also more, and therefore it has spread easily to different parts of the world. Third one is the people believe in devotion of God. Fourth one, religious interest of the sultans. So sultans started giving prominence to religion. Fifth one, conducive political situations. So that all supported for the spread of Christianity, fast growth to different parts of the world. So these are the 5 important reasons for the fast growth of Islam to different parts of the world. Let us discuss the contribution of Islam. So when the people started accepting Islam, Arabs are also started following certain important contributions. So which are those contributions means? First one, medicine for measles. So they discovered medicines for measles. That was a great problem in those period of time, and other important diseases. They started writing books on medicine. So they started curing diseases of the people with the help of medicine. Second one, new inventions they started improving in the field of science and mathematics. Then they spread the knowledge by medieval Arabs and Persia in the field of geography and astronomy also to the other parts of the world. So with the help of this, they spread the knowledge. Fourth one, Islam also started influencing to spread art and architecture. They started establishing their own buildings and mosques, and all these are in Roman, Byzantine and Persian empires. So they are all also called as Byzantine style, Roman style, Persian style. They started giving prominence to their buildings to spread their art and architecture. So even in India also we see this style of buildings, and the mosques were all became the important examples for their art and architecture. So these are the 4 important contributions of the Islamic people. So the next one, sects in Islam. So as like in Christianity, we discussed the 2 important groups like Catholics and the Protestants, and Hinduism also different caste, and Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism. So each group had the Buddhism also Hinayana, Mahayana group, and The important Jainism also, Shvetambaras and Digambaras were the two groups, and even in the important Hindu religion also, we divided the people on the basis of caste, Brahmana, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras, like that. Islamic people also started making their own sects. The most important among them are Shia and Sunni. The successors of Muhammad Paigambar were known as caliphs. So, they believed the religious and political leaders of Islam after Paigambar. The famous first important caliph is known as Abu Bakr. So, he became one of the important leader to take a initiative to spread the messages of Paigambar. So, these are the two important groups, Shia and Sunni, and the successors of Muhammad are called as caliphs, and the first caliph is known as Abu Bakr. So, please remember these important points under this. So, like this, today we have discussed about the expansion of Islam, contribution of Islam, the two important sects in Islam. Now, I will review these points about this lesson. Please remember these points. Expansion of Islam. Caliphs were the important persons where the successors of Paigambar were called as caliphs. They took the responsibility to spread the messages of Paigambar. And like this, Islam spread from Spain to India within a century. Next point, contributions of Islam. Islamic people gave prominence to medicine. 2. They started doing new inventions in the field of science and mathematics. 3. They spread the knowledge in the field of geography and astronomy to the world. 4. They built art and architecture by Romans, Byzantine and the Persian empires. Sects in Islam. There are two important sects, one Shia and Sunni. Second, the successors of Muhammad Paigambar is called caliphs. Abu Bakr was the first important caliphs. So, these are the main important points of this lesson. So, please remember all these points. Thank you, children.